this video, we are going to see how we can change or add our college or high school info on Facebook very easily. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. All you have to do is just click on the profile icon and switch to your profile. And from here in the About section, you click on the Education. And from here, you can add your college details. So for example, if you want to change this, we click on this college details and you can add a new one or remove an existing one. And similarly, let's say we want to add a high school detail. We click on the high school and we mention the school name. We get different options. The time period we'll mention from this year to this year. We were there, graduated, save. And it will take some time to feed it in your records. And after that, you can share that update with your friends and family. You can share, post live update. It is posting on your Facebook profile. And that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.